Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am doing another unboxing for Victorian Varnish. If you like unboxings, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as your notification bell so you know when I upload new content to the channel. I want to do a little something different this time. If you would please in the comments section let me know what city and state or country you're from. I would love to know where you guys are from. I find it very interesting how many people watch, and so I want to know where you guys are from if you could do that for me. So I have some goodies to share from Victorian Varnish. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. As always, I am so super excited when I get a PR box. Like I've stated before, it's like having Christmas early. I have so much fun doing my unboxings. Y'all just don't know. I come home, I see the box in the mailbox, and I'm like, ooh, what's in here? What's in here? And then when I get home, I don't stop to do anything else. I come right in and crack the box open. So here, I'm trying to get everything out of the box, take them out of the bubble wrap so you guys can see it. Every time I get excited, so I know it's a polished thing. It's a polished thing. So I'm just gonna open these up, get them out the bubble wrap first, and I'm already like, oh, that is so pretty. Look at that, and I'm already looking at it. So I'm zooming in so you can get it up close and personal. It's got some of those blue glitters. And this is for the cog of the month, and this is going to be Wish Upon a Starfish for December 2024. And this is described as a pink coral leaning base, intense large particle shimmer, and iridescent golds, flakies, and pinks, peaches, purples, blues, greens, golds, matte aquamarine glitters, and it's super sparkly and shifty on the nails. And this is the collectible sticker that comes with it. They will be $12 each. Now, this holiday lunch is going to be on November the 27th at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. This is going to be so super cute, y'all. So let's see what we've got next in this box of goodies. I only have 5 this time, so I always try to write on the sticker what it's for, cog of the month and the year, so I know what it's for and what polish it goes with. So that's what I was doing. All right, this is gonna be one of the most interesting here. This is going to be the January cog of the month. And this also comes with a collectible sticker. They're also $12. This is Fiery Personality. Y'all look, this is going to be a thermal and magnetic. This is a dark brown one, cold to cherry red warm with gold magnetic that acts like shimmer, unmagnetized, and it reveals a beautiful golden line with magnetized. This is inspired by the polish was provided by Ranita Dasgupta 77, Victorian Varnish's first cog of the month. For the new year, we're starting early since we don't have a lunch in January. So this will be the 2025 theme is dragons, cute baby dragons. So this is this polish. I cannot wait for you all to see this one. This is amazingly beautiful, thermal and magnetic. Wow. And this is the collectible sticker that goes with it. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so unique, you guys. Look at that gold shifting shimmer. Look at that. Ooh. Wow. Can't wait to see that one. So I can't wait for the swatch these. But stay tuned, you guys. You know I will swatch these later as it comes closer to the time. Again, I'm noting on the back of the sticker what this is for and what month and the polish it's for. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm also pulling out the next one. The next is going to be The Tartan Trio Thermal Collection, they'll be $12 each. They will be 33 for the trio, and this is a limited edition, winter edition. So this first one here is Hunter of PJs, a dark green in cold state to clear when warm, with an intense violet to pink to red to green to gold aurora shimmer. That's going to be a different polish as well. Next one is Plaid Tidings Vermillion. This is vermilion in the cold state and clear to when warm, with aurora shimmer running throughout in green, gold, and bronze. And the last one is Channel Your Flannel, which is a black in cold state, looks blue here, and clear with warm, with an intense blue to purple shimmer. The shimmer is the star here, and it transforms this polish and it turns purple in the warm state and appears navy blue in the cold state. So again, this is, I had to go back to show you the shimmer in Plaid Tidings. This is going to be an interesting collection. This is a thermal collection. So all three of these are thermals, as well as the January cog of the month. So remember, the launch date is going to be November the 27th at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. Look out for my video. If you like this content thus far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share it with your polish family and friends. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, allow the magic to take hold and watch the magic appear. And don't forget these gorgeous collectible stickers.